friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling services, and really styling services are my favorite because I love having stylists pick out clothes for me. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. For the returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. I thank you for coming back. Really appreciate it. Today I am doing a mix and match unboxing. If you're not familiar with mix and match, it is a styling service where they send you at least 6 items. Sometimes it's a couple more than that. They only charge you for what you decide to keep and you send back whatever you don't want. I believe you have 5 days with this box. You get 25% off if you keep at least 5 items, and if you order just one box, the styling service is $25, but they do have on their website where you can do a 3-month subscription and it's just $5 styling service for each one. The styling fee does apply to anything you purchase. If you are interested, then there's my referral link below. You can sign up for just one box and it'll be only $5, and hopefully that's it. Hopefully I remembered everything you need to know about that. They do have another type of box, which is the Take a Chance, where you get 4 items for $105, but this is just the Go For It, which is more of your typical pay for just what you want to keep. So this is my 3rd box. I really like mix and match. I like that you interact directly with the stylist. Very shortly after you sign up, you get emailed by your stylist and they want to know your special requests, and they're the ones you send the feedback to, and you can send pictures of stuff that you're interested in and so on. So that's what I really love about mix and match, is that stylist interaction. And they send some cute clothes. I really don't remember what I requested, probably just some fall pieces. There were a couple of pictures I was interested in, so I don't really know what to expect from this box, but I am excited. Let's get into this. Okay, so they always have such cute packaging, so absolutely love this. And it looks like I've got 2 bundles in here. They also include a price sheet, a very thick envelope of everything you need to know about their service and how it works, and just a whole bunch of good information. So we'll get into that after we look through the clothes. So let's get to it. Okay, here we go. Bundle number 1 here. And I love it. It's like unwrapping Christmas presents. Okay, we've got some dark colors here. So first off, we have, ooh, it's a cardigan. It's a dark, rather subtle plaid to it. Let's see, the colors, it's got lots of colors in it, but again, they're pretty faded colors, so it's got some orange and pink and yellow and blue. It's got basically all the colors in it, and my favorite thing is it does have, it's not leather, it's just a soft fabric elbow patch. So I think that's very cool. So I really like this. It's a very unique cardigan, a nice casual cardigan. I'm going to try to read the brands as I open these things, as requested by a viewer. This is by Fantastic Fawn. Okay, next up we've got this V-neck black shirt. It has a ruffle sleeve here at the top, and it is by Tari. And I think that's a nice top. I have a lot of black tops, as you can see right now. So we'll see it. I would have to love it to keep it, just because I do have a lot. Ooh, these are cool. Okay, these are a pair of leggings, and I guess I would call them maybe like a faux leather, but they don't even really feel super leathery. But yeah, I guess I'll call them that. A faux leather, and these are by Liverpool, which unfortunately means they're probably rather expensive, but they look high-waisted, and I've wanted to try a pair of these, so this is exciting. I am super excited about that. Okay, loved bundle number 1. Let's dig into bundle number 2. Okay, we have just a kind of, I need to learn my color names. This is kind of a orangish reddish Maybe they call it a burnt orange. I don't know. V-neck shirt, pocket in the front, a casual. It has a tie on the side. I really like it. I've been looking for more casual type tops because I've bought so many nice dress clothes that I'm definitely needing more casual items, because I'm finding on days where it's like, okay, today's casual, it's like, well, I'm not gonna wear fancy lacy tops, you know. So okay, so this is by Wishlist. And then, ooh, she asked me about what I felt about camo pants, and I was all like, let's try it. But then the more I thought about it, I was really excited about trying some camo skinnies. Those are really like these. They have zippers here on the pockets, and I just think these are really cute. They don't seem too long, so maybe these are petite or maybe not, but I really like these, and these are by Wishlist again. Okay, this piece is one that I requested specifically because I'm just obsessed with this blue color, and it looked amazing on the model. I am very anti-cold shoulder, but I wanted to make an exception for this top. So it is cold shoulder, and it does have some crisscrossing on the back, and I just thought it was really beautiful. So very excited to try this. And my last piece is, ooh, okay, these are kind of a plaid, thick, these feel like wool, dress pant, a skinny leg dress pant. And you know, I've been, obviously, I mentioned this in probably most of my videos, been trying to beef up dress pants in my closet. So these would be perfect, and they feel amazing. I love a good wool pant because I'm cold all the time, and these feel warm and comfy. So, and these are also Wishlist. So I am hopeful that these are going to fit. Okay, so far I absolutely love everything that she sent me. There's nothing here that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna hate that. So great job to my stylist, Dana. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. And I can't wait to try this stuff on, so let's get it on. Okay, first off, we have the faux leather Liverpool leggings, and I like them. They are, I think they're very interesting. They're different than obviously any other legging that I have. They are slightly too long, so there is kind of a fold down here, and I feel like it's weird to fold up a leather legging, but I don't know, I might be able to deal with it kind of being a little bit bunched at the end. I don't know, but I think these are really cool. So it also depends on the price. We'll see how much that is. The cardigan is soft, it is comfortable, it's pretty thin actually, so it is kind of a late summer, early fall type cardigan. Elbow patches do go where they're supposed to go, and I just think it's a really cool, unique cardigan, and I love that. And then we have the black top, which I really like. I like it a lot more now that I have it on. It's just that I don't know that I necessarily need this, and there is a bit of extra room in here, and I'm assuming I've already got the smallest size available. So again, this one may depend on the price as well, but so far I love these pieces, and let's go to the next outfit. Next up, we have the camo skinnies, which I am super into these. They're really not too long on me, which is always exciting, and they fit well up here. I don't have a ton of extra waistband on it, and they've got, oh, I didn't realize one side has a double zipper. Are these actual pockets? Nope, that's not real. I think these are really cute, and hopefully you guys give me your opinion as to what you think of them. And then I've got the t-shirt, which I think it's cute. Feels a little bit big again, but I really love the color of it. I think the color is great. It did have this tie in it, but I think it's just a regular t-shirt that they tied, so I'm going to untie it and see. Oh, it's actually got kind of a point to it here, I think where it's supposed to tie, or maybe it's just pulled that direction. So I'm not sure if it has to be tied. I think it's an optional tie. It's just a little bit misshapen from having been tied. But I really like the top. I think it's cute. This will be if the price is right, and hopefully these pants are not too expensive because I love them. Last outfit is the wool dress pants. I don't know if they're actually wool. They just feel like it. I'll check the tag for the recap. But I think these are super comfortable. I think they're cute. They fit well. They're not too long. I think they look nice with some black heels. And I really like them. And then the top, I love. You know, like I said, I've hated cold shoulder. I own nothing cold shoulder. But for this top, I'm willing to make an exception because I just think it is such a beautiful top. I just love the color. I like that it's a little bit longer. I guess it's more of a tunic-y type shirt. And super soft and comfortable. So this may be a winner. I like a lot of things from this box. So I'm going to have to make some tough decisions here. So let's go over the prices. Okay, let's go over the paperwork now. What we get in here is your return mailer, which for me is UPS. And then, like I said, they have a whole bunch of information about how it works, what the return policy is, things like that. So I've gone over what I'm going to. If you want to see more, you can go to their website. And then let's see the stylist note. So this is from my stylist, Dana. She says, "Hi Jen, I'm excited to send you your third box. I know you were looking for some work pants, so I'm sending the Whitelist Glen Plaid double checkered, I think that's how you pronounce it, pant in gray and white. These are super comfortable but still professional looking. Yes, they are very comfortable. You can pair with a crisp white shirt or blazer and tank. I've also included the 143 Royal Blue Premium Bamboo cutout shoulder top, and these are long names, which is what I'm wearing right now, with crisscross straps that you had requested. I hope it fits. You know, I don't know that I ever turned around, and I didn't even look at the crisscross myself. Hopefully I don't have bra everywhere, but this is what it looks like in the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, sorry, back to the note. She said that I had requested, she hopes it fits. Then she's sending the Wishlist olive camel print skinny leg pant for you to try, and I'm pairing it with the Wishlist v-neck t-shirt with pocket and ketchup, which ketchup is apparently a color now, which I think looks really nice together. I know you were interested in cardigans, so I'm including the Fantastic Fawn charcoal pattern cardi with suede elbow patch. Finally, I decided to send a couple of pieces that would be good for a date night, which is the Liverpool black Reese legging and the Tari Chioma blouse in black with v-neck and flutter sleeve. Okay, I hope you like what I choose, and I can't wait to hear what you think. And then she, you know, has information about how to check out. So thank you, Dana. You did fantastic. And the prices now. Okay, so let's start with the shirt that I have on. It is $38. I really think I'm going to keep this because I just think it is beautiful and fantastic. The Liverpool Black Reese leggings, these are in petite. These are regular $79, on sale for $65. So that's definitely a great price for Liverpool. I like them. I feel like I need to try them on with my husband because he helps me figure out what to keep. And also sometimes I just don't know, where would I wear this? I don't know where I would wear this. So, I don't know. That's a tough one. And then we have the V-neck, the Wishlist V-neck tee in ketchup, and this is $26. I like it. I don't know that I loved it enough to pay $26. Not that $26 is bad, because especially for a styling box, that's a great price. I'm just kind of on it, so probably won't be keeping that. And then we have the Wishlist olive camo pants. I love these so much, and they are $50. Yeah. I'm keeping these. No discussion needed. I'm keeping those. Okay, the V-neck black, the Tahari Chioma blouse in black is $40. I like it. I don't really need it, so I will not be keeping that. Then the cardigan, this is the Fantastic Fawn charcoal pattern cardigan, and it is $45. I don't know. I really like it, but there's other pieces I really like in this box, and I don't like to spend too much on one box. I don't know, we'll see. And then these are pants, which are the Wishlist Full Glen Plaid Double Checkered Knit Pants, and they are $46. So everything here is pretty affordable. $26. The most expensive thing is $65. So I really appreciate that. I honestly don't know what I'm keeping yet. I think like the ones that I really have my heart set on, oh gosh, there's a lot. Okay, so this top, I really feel like I need to keep. The dress pants I think are going to be great this winter. They're going to be like my go-to dress pant. The camo pants, I absolutely love and would love to keep these. So that's 3 items. So I may just keep those 3, but I really like the cardigan, and then you get the 25% off if you keep 5 things. So I'm going to get this video posted before I need to return this. So I really could use people's opinions on what to keep. And once I make my decision, I will update the description of the video with what I decided to keep. But by the time I post this, I will not have made that decision yet. So I don't know. I mean, there's a lot here that I really love. So amazing box. Thank you, Dana at Mix and Match. Such a good box. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe below. And hopefully we will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.